Hi guys! External enclosure for SSD, but this one is M.2 NVMe supporting one, so faster speeds. And to do that it supports 10 gigabits per second USB, so USB 3.2 Type 2. And this is it. We have several cables, Type-C to USB, Type-C to Type-C, a thermal pad presumably, a leaflet, a screwdriver, and the thing itself. So it does seem that the outside is plastic, but the radiator is probably aluminum. With 10 gigabits per second, you can expect speeds probably to about 1 something gigabytes per second. Okay. Yes, this is very cold, so it's aluminum. Presumably this thermal pad is for the controller of the SSD. No cooling for the memory, but of course you can use other pads to cool it. And here is the board itself. It's an M.2 to USB Type-C, and here is the controller. It does support up to, I think, 80 millimeters, so 22 by 80, and it can be cool. That's it. Bye.